Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove pin from Pinterest board. Without further ado, let's get started. So just head on and open up the Pinterest app right here. And if you are from the search page or from your home page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom part of the screen. So that should get you to your profile page, and you can just click on the created tab or save tab depending on where your board is. So I'm just going to go to the saved tab because this is where my private board is located. So for example, I'm going to open up this board that says wallpaper. So this is the Pinterest board I have created, and for example, I want to remove a pin from this particular Pinterest board. So once you opened up that particular Pinterest board, you can just scroll through the pins right here and then choose whichever you want to remove from this Pinterest board. So what you're gonna do is to press and hold on that particular pin that you want to remove, and then swipe to that pencil icon. So that will be the edit option. Just release your hold and that will edit your pin. And at the bottom part, you should see the option to delete this pin. So just click on that and then click on delete once again to confirm that decision. And that should be immediately removed from that particular Pinterest board. So as you can see, it is no longer on this particular Pinterest board. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.